Okay, good afternoon, Cuxton. I hope you're well and that you had a wonderful weekend. We're starting the third week back in school since the beginning of the term. Where have the last 2 weeks gone? It's been incredibly busy. Lots has been going on in school, and it's been an absolute pleasure seeing so many of you engaged in your learning. I walked into year 3 this morning and they wanted to tell me all about their lesson. And the fact that they've been trying sweets and chocolate as part of their scrumdiddlyumptious topic, which sounded wonderful. Not exactly healthy schools, but they're engaged in their learning. So that was the main thing today. Just going to let Cherry class in. There we go. Okay, we're going to make a start with the certificates. Still no early years. Hopefully they'll join us very shortly for the assemblies. So we'll start in year 1. So the first certificate goes to Eva for fantastic animal grouping. Well done, Eva. And well done to George, SH, for always helping wherever he can. So clearly demonstrating the community value, George. Keep it up. Well done to Myla in Pine for being an excellent role model. So clearly following our rights, that everyone has the right to respect. So I know how respectful Myla is. And well done to Ruben for always having a positive attitude towards his learning. Keep it up, Ruben. Can we give year 1 a huge round of applause? Well done, year 1. Off to year 2. So we have a certificate here from Mrs. Barrett. I'm still having to get used to that, children. For always showing enthusiasm with his learning. The certificate goes to, I'm just going to let this class in. Bear with me, children. There we go. The certificate goes to Harley for always showing enthusiasm in his learning. Well done, Harley. That's really pleasing to hear. A big well done to Grayson for great computing skills when resizing an image. Wow, Grayson. Sounds like you're fantastic at computing. And well done to Joey LW for showing amazing resilience when completing his spelling test. Fantastic. So upholding one of our school values, Joey, resilience. Keep it up. Well done to Isla for showing great adventure in tackling all of her work in class, Isla B. So well done, Isla. Tried very, very hard. And I know Miss Say was incredibly impressed with you and how you're showing the adventure value when you're trying new things. Let's give year 2 a huge round of applause. Well done. Off to year 3. So we have somebody else who's shown resilience, but resilience in their maths. So a big well done to Jessica in Miss Giacondi's class. And well done to Emily for her excellence and her continued contributions to all lessons. Oh, please keep it up, Emily. We need lots of children to be contributing towards their learning. Well done to Jack in Cherry class for demonstrating the community value, for setting out all the chairs in the class without being asked. Oh, clearly incredibly helpful, Jack. Thank you. Let's drop that. And well done to Shakemi for excellence in all her works and meeting our excellence value. Well done. Let's give year 3 a huge round of applause. Off to year 4 now. So we have a certificate for Jack D for being adventurous and creative during drama-based activities. So upholding our adventure value, Jack. I'd love to have seen your performance. Well done to Owen R for showing an incredible amount of resilience writing about biomes. Got lots of resilient children today at Cuxton, so big well done to Owen. Congratulations. And we have a certificate here for Christian for being adventurous with his writing. So clearly trying out new things, Christian. And congratulations to Scarlett for showing resilience in her learning. So you're keeping trying, Scarlett. Well done. You should be very proud of yourself. Let's give year 4 a huge round of applause. Off to year 5 now. So we have a certificate here for Ellie D for her consistent effort in all learning. Well done, Ellie. That's a really lovely thing to achieve a certificate for across all the curriculum. So well done. Well done to Tommy J for his wonderful attitude towards his learning. Keep it up, Tommy. If you have a positive attitude towards learning, you'll go far. Well done to James G for showing excellence within his maths. Brilliant, Jane. We're very proud of yourself, and well done to Bella B for being adventurous and trying difficult tasks in all lessons. It's really pleasing to hear lots of adventurous children in Cuxton, so well done. Well done to Fermi for demonstrating resilience in maths and overcoming barriers. Fermi, I saw you last week and you were working extremely hard in your lessons. And well done to Mia C for demonstrating excellence in all that she does. That doesn't surprise me at all, Mia. Always setting a really good example. And a big congratulations to Hannah in Whitebeam for showing the community value by being a true role model for others. So many children are being good role models this week. This is putting a huge smile on my face. And last but not least, well done to Logan for showing excellence when supporting others in maths. A big well done to Logan. Really, really happy for you. Let's give you 6 a huge round of applause. Okay, so we have our other certificates to hand out now, and it's for the tidiest classrooms. And I know this was quite tight this week. So the tidiest classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Elm class. A big well done to Elm class. Very impressive. And I saw your classroom this morning and it was spotless. And I love it because Mrs. Mulholland's already put a display up of your wonderful work. So well done, Elm class. Now the tidiest classrooms in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, Year 6. And again, I was in your classrooms quite a bit last week with the Medway test. And they were spotless, couldn't spot anything out of place. Lots of children were taking pride in their classroom and their equipment and so on. So please keep it up, Year 6. That's really pleasing. Now I need to get the golden envelopes. Nearly forgotten. So this week, let's see who deserves the golden envelopes for the best attendance across the school, and it's very, very close. So the best attendance in the infant school with 99.3% goes to, drum roll, stop, Beach class. Well done, Beach class. Very pleasing. Now, I wonder if anyone can beat 99.3%. Last week, we had a couple of classes with 100%, so let's see. The best attendance in the junior school with 99.2% goes to, drum roll, Holly class. So the winners of the golden envelopes this week, and I can hear them cheering behind me, are Beach class. So you have 15 minutes of free time, whether it's in the computer suite, on the playground, or in the classroom. So these will be coming your way, Beach class. Very, very impressive. And you have to do the award at some point this week. Now, before I move on to the golden book and something else, I want to say a big well done to all those children in Year 6 last week that demonstrated our resilience value when undertaking their Medway test, their 11+. It was quite tricky, but I saw lots of children trying their best and going above and beyond. So thank you, Year 6. And I went round and I signed their resilience display on their door because I was so impressed. So big well done. I want to try something this week. I'm going to set you a challenge, and I'm going to set the teachers and teaching assistants the challenge as well. What I'd really love to see this week is excellence when walking around the school. So I would like to spot which classes are walking around the school silently, with their shirts tucked in, not talking to anyone, facing the right way. And that means all day. So that means coming in from break times, coming in from lunch times, walking from the hall to the computer suite and from your classrooms. So I want to see excellence in walking around school. And I'm going to set all the staff a challenge to see if they can spot a class that's demonstrating excellence so that we can sign the display on the door. So I don't want it to just be me signing it or Mr. Bilton signing it. I'd love for all teaching assistants, midday meal supervisors, office staff to sign away whenever they see a class demonstrating excellence in their walking around the school. So I wonder which class is going to be the first one to have their signature on the wall. So before we go to the golden book, I want to share something with you because it's not just in school achievements that we like to share. It's also outside of school achievements because we have so many talented children at Cuxton. And this year, we really want to promote the talents outside of school as well as inside school. So we have lots of sporty children, we have lots of creative children, we have lots of musicians in school. But this morning, I was handed this very special medal by Lexi in year 1. And Lexi has achieved, I'm going to grab it here, level 1 of her MEPA qualification. So well done, Lexi. Really, really proud. It's for her gymnastics. So you can see MEPA Club level 1. And I know Lexi this morning was absolutely beaming when she came in to show it to me. So children, if you have other achievements outside of school that you'd like us to show the rest of the school in Celebration Assembly, I would love to do so. So make sure you speak to your class teacher or your teaching assistant and get them to come down and see me, because I don't just want it to be celebrations within school. I want to know what you're up to outside of school as well. Plus, we have a talent board up in the hall that shows all the wonderful things that our children do outside of school. So we need to make sure we update it. So well done to Lexi. Off to the golden book now. So we have here, the first one is for Elsie R for wonderful writing. You worked incredibly hard, Elsie. Well done to Bluey D for using his sounds to write a list of things the tiger ate. And I know how much year 1 are enjoying the tiger who came to tea. Well done to Desia K for using her sounds to make a list of nouns from the tiger who came to tea. And well done to Billy W for great work counting backwards, including problem solving. Wow, well done. Lexi P. Lexi's had a good week. So a fantastic summary of a section in the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Well done, Lexi, in year 3. Well done to Bo H for making a great effort to join his handwriting in his recount plan. Well done to Grace O, Maya L and Valerie B for incredibly precise drawings of the human heart, fully labelled too. Girls, I'd love to see those. I need to start putting some work on my wow wall. So please, can you bring them down at some point? Because I'd love to put up some artwork up there. So come and see me. Well done to Freya C and Tammy G for excellent instruction writing about how to create Frankenstein's monster. Congratulations to Archie B for he brailled a whole piece of writing. His non-chronological report included an introduction and subheadings. Great work. That's some achievement, Archie. You should be very proud. Well done to Jess G who wrote a fantastic non-chronological report about the solar system. And well done to Clara G for well presented non-chronological report with great information. Let me make sure there's nobody on that side. Wow, so many children to recognise this week in the Golden Book. I've got lots of postcards to be writing already, so I need to make sure I get on to that, don't I? So children, have the best week. Lots of learning going on. Mr. Bilton, myself, Mrs. Smith, Mr. Brett, Mrs. Jennings, and so on will be coming around, Miss Hodder, to see the wonderful learning going on in lessons this week. So you may see some familiar faces, so please tell us what you're up to, and I will speak to you soon. See you later, Cuxton. Bye.